Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue with the Dyson HS01 SE hairdryer. It shuts off unexpectedly. This can often be attributed to a blocked filter, which restricts airflow, causing the device to overheat and shut down for safety reasons. Let's walk through the steps to diagnose and fix this problem. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely powered down before proceeding. Next, locate the filter at the back of the device. It's essential to check this area regularly, as a blocked filter is a common cause of overheating. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the filter cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, you'll see the filter itself. Inspect it for any visible debris or dust accumulation. If it appears dirty, it's time for a thorough clean. Take your soft brush and gently clean the filter, removing any dust or hair that may have built up. If the filter is particularly dirty, you can rinse it under warm water. Ensure it's completely dry before reattaching it to the hairdryer. This step is crucial, as moisture can cause further issues. While you're at it, check the air intake area for any obstructions. A blocked intake can also lead to overheating. Use your cloth to wipe down this area, ensuring it's free from dust and debris. Now, let's reassemble the hairdryer. Place the filter back into its housing and secure the cover with your screwdriver. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to prevent any air leaks. If your Dyson HS01 SE continues to shut off after cleaning the filter, it may indicate a more serious internal issue. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Before you consider repairs, it's wise to get a quote. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved up front. This way, you can make an informed decision about how to proceed. Once you've reassembled the hairdryer, plug it back in and test it. Turn it on and observe if it operates without shutting off. If it runs smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully resolved the issue. However, if it still shuts off, it may be time to seek professional diagnosis without obligation. In summary, regular maintenance of your Dyson HS01 SE is key to preventing overheating issues. Always check the filter and air intake, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance if needed. Keeping your hairdryer in top condition will ensure it serves you well for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.